it is my pleasure to introduce our next and final guest speaker for this afternoon. I have 2 cats at home, and my cats are under NSA grade video surveillance. Because, we're often away from home, and they are prone to mischief. It turns out that I just use a regular old kind of generic web-connected camera with just a little bit of computer vision in it, and it isn't really awesome for this application because it doesn't really know what a cat is, and it doesn't really allow me to interact with my cats, except that I can try and speak to them through my mobile phone through a tiny, tinny little speaker in the camera, and they're looking around, wondering what is going on here. It doesn't really have any impact. It turns out there's a huge opportunity here, and we're going to hear from Alex Neskin of PetCube. And PetCube has already made tremendous progress in this space of intelligent cameras for pet owners. So Alex, welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Jeff. Thanks for introduction. Thanks for inviting and giving an opportunity to talk on this forum about kitties and puppies, because that's important. So my name is Alex. I'm CTO and co-founder of PetCube. In a PetCube, we're connecting, I like to say that in PetCube, we're connecting pets to the internet. Obviously, we're making the best-selling cameras that allows you to watch, talk, entertain, and play with your pets, with your cats and dogs.